Checked.
Hi guys, it is
Hearthstone roll.
Free the Blind, and today we're going to play some Hearthstone for you.
Play casual 2 of 12.
And
Play ranked 1 of...
I hope you enjoy it. If you like content like this, please like, subscribe, and share if you would. And hopefully I can reach more people with the stuff that I put out. That'd be great. If you have something to say, drop a comment, and I will do my best to get back to you. And yeah.
Play casual. Play ranked 1 of 12. Play standard 1 of 2. Play wild 2 of... Play wild. Choose your deck 1. Choose your deck. 4 of 13. Finding opponent. Please wait.
We have 2 quests that go with ranked mode. We have to play or destroy 75 cards. And we also have to play 30 cards. A lot of this I will be doing on my own time off recording, but those are requests we have. And also, we have to play 10 games of Hearthstone's ranked mode in order to get 3000 XP, which is good for experience and good for... so, there's that as well.
Jaina versus Rexxar.
You're playing against the Hunter. You start with 4 cards. Your opponent goes first. Starting hand. Keep or replace. Waiting for opponent. You get the coin. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Turn ended. Your turn. You have 1 mana. You drew Bloodfen Raptor. Hand. Sen'jin Shield Master 1. Novice Engineer 2. Sen'jin Shield Nightblade 4. The coin 5 of 6. You played the coin. You gained 1 mana. Hand. Novice Engineer 2 of. Summon.
I hope you like my invention.
You summoned Novice Engineer. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent cast 1 Hunter Secret. Turn ended. Your turn. You have 2 mana. You drew Arcane Intellect. Hand. Sen'jin Shield Master 1. Sen'jin Shield Nightblade 3 of. Bloodfen Rap. Murloc Raider 5 of. Arcane Intellect 6 of 6. Murloc Raider. You summoned Murloc Raider. Minions. Novice Engineer 1 of 2. Choose a target. Opponent's
if
hero.
You're sure.
Your Novice Engineer attacked your opponent's hero. Your opponent's freezing trap triggered. Your Novice Engineer returned to your hand. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent summoned Fogsail Freebooter, 2/2 Battlecry. If you have a weapon equipped, deal 2 damage. Your opponent summoned Beaming Sidekick, 1/2 Battlecry. Give a friendly minion 2 health. Your opponent's Fogsail Freebooter gained 2 health. Turn ended. Your turn. You have 3 mana. You drew Wolf Rider. Hand. Sen'jin Shield Master, Sen'jin Nightblade, Bloodfen Raptor, Arcane Intel, Novice Engineer 6, Wolf Rider 7 of. You summoned Wolf Rider. Hand. Sen'jin Shield Master, summon at the right, not Sen'jin Night Blood, Arcane Intellect, Novice Engineer. Summon at the right, not enough mana. Minions. Murloc Raider 1 of. Choose opponent beaming side, opponent's hero. Your Murloc Raider attacked your opponent. Minions. Wolf Rider, shoot opponent beaming, opponent's minions. Fog beaming sidekick 2 of 2. Fogsail free. Your Wolf Rider attacked your opponent's Fogsail Freebooter. Your min. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent summoned Sen'jin Shield Master, 3/5 taunt. Your opponent's beaming sidekick attacked your hero. Your hero took 1 damage. Your opponent's Fogsail Freebooter attacked your hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Turn ended. Your hand. Sen'jin Shield Master 1 of 7. You summoned Sen'jin Shield Master. Minions. Murloc Raider 1 of. Choose opponent's minions. Sen'jin Shield opponent's minions. Sen'jin Shield Master. Your Murloc Raider attacked your opponent's Sen'jin Shield Master. Your min. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. summoned Stranglethorn Tiger, 5/5 stealth. Your opponent's Fog Sail Freebooter attacked your Senjin Shield Master. Your opponent's minion died. Your opponent's Senjin Shield Master attacked your Senjin Shield Master. Both minions died. Your opponent's Beaming Sidekick attacked your hero. Your hero took 1 damage. Turn ended. Your turn. You have 5 mana. You drew Boulder Fist Ogre. Hand. Senjin Shield Nightblade 2 of summon. You summoned Nightblade. Your opponent's hero took 3 damage. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent summoned Acolyte of Pain, 1/4 whenever this minion takes damage, draw a card. Your opponent cast 1 Hunter Secret. Your opponent summoned Beaming Sidekick, 1/2 Battlecry, give a friendly minion 2 health. Your opponent's first Beaming Sidekick gained 2 health. Your opponent's first Beaming Sidekick attacked your hero. Your hero took 1 damage. Your opponent's Stranglethorn Tiger attacked your hero. Your hero took 5 damage. Turn ended. Your hand. Senjin Shield. Try again. Summon at the right. You summon Senjin Shield Master. Hand. Bloodfen Raptor. Summon at the right. You summoned Bloodfen Raptor. Minions. Nightblade 1. Choose a target. Opponent. Acolyte of Pain. Beaming Sidekick. Opponent's hero. Your Nightblade attacked your opponent's hero. Your opponent's explosive. Your friendly characters took 2 damage. Your Nightblade attacked your opponent's hero. Your opponent's hero took 4 damage. Your Bloodfen Raptor died. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent summoned Acolyte of Pain, 1/4 whenever this minion takes damage, draw a card. Your opponent summoned Dire Wolf Alpha, 2/2 adjacent minions have 1 attack. Your opponent's first Acolyte of Pain and your opponent's second Beaming Sidekick gained 1 attack. Your opponent used Steady Shot, hero power deal 2 damage to the enemy hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Your opponent's first Beaming Sidekick attacked your Senjin Shield Master. Your opponent's first Acolyte of Pain attacked your Senjin Shield Master. Your opponent's first Acolyte of Pain triggered. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your Senjin Shield Master died. Your opponent's Stranglethorn Tiger attacked your hero. Your hero took 5 damage. Your opponent's second Beaming Sidekick attacked your hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Turn ended. Your turn. You have 7 mana. You drew Fireball. Hand. Arcane Intellect 1 of Novice Engineer 2 of River Crocol. Boulder Fist Ogre 4 of 6. River Crocol Lisk 3. You summoned Rip Hand. Novice Engine. Boulder Fist. Oasis Snapped. Fireball 5. Choose a target. Opponent's Dire Wolf. Beaming Side. Acolyte of Pain 6. Opponent's hero. You played Fireball. Your opponent's hero took 6 damage. Minions. Nightblade. Choose it. Opponent's Dire Wolf. Beaming Side. Acolyte of opponent's hero. Your Nightblade attacked your opponent. You have no valid plays. Turn ended. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent summoned Defender of Argus. 3/3 Battlecry. Give adjacent minions 1/1 and taunt. Your opponent's first Acolyte of Pain lost 1 attack. Your opponent's first Acolyte of Pain and your opponent's Dire Wolf Alpha gained taunt, 1 attack, and 1 health. Your opponent used Steady Shot, hero power deal 2 damage to the enemy hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Your opponent's second Beaming Side. Press enter to continue. You've gained 36 XP. You can't lose stars at this rank. You are currently bronze 10. You have 2 out of 3 stars. Quest Progress Toast. Play 30 cards. Current progress is 10 out of 30. Quest Progress Toast. Play or destroy 75 pirates in ranked Hearthstone. Current progress is 6 out of 75. Quest Progress Toast. Play 10 games of Hearthstone's ranked mode. Current progress is 5 out of 10. Play wild. Choose your...
And that's that, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that.
OBS Studio 30...
I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Start streaming checkbox. Stop recording checkbox.